Hi, my name is Nila. I'm a second-year life sciences student at the University of Toronto, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the magic soap and pepper experiment. In this experiment, we're going to fill up a plate with some water, and we're going to sprinkle some pepper into it. And then we're going to put some dish soap on our finger, put our finger inside of the water with the pepper, and we're going to see what happens to the pepper in the water. With this experiment, we're going to be exploring the concepts of the properties of water, as well as, most importantly, the surface tension of water. For this experiment, we are going to need 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 bowl, 1 cup of water, and 1 drop of dish soap. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take 1 cup of water and you're going to put it into your plate. Next, you're going to take 1 tablespoon of black pepper and put some of that in. Next, you can take 1 drop of dish soap and put it on your finger, like so. And you're going to dip your finger into the water and watch what happens. The reason that the pepper flakes all scatter to the sides of the plate is due to the surface tension of water. When you put in your finger with the dish soap into the water, the dish soap actually breaks the surface tension of water and all the water molecules scatter away from the dish soap. Pepper is hydrophobic, which means it's essentially scared of water, so it floats on the surface and doesn't mix or dissolve or anything like that. And in water, the water molecules tend to stick together, which means that they have a high surface tension, which also keeps the pepper flakes afloat on top of the water. However, when the soap is added into the mixture, this breaks the surface tension of water, and what happens is these water molecules try to get away from the soap, and when these water molecules get away from the soap, they take the pepper flakes with them, hence the reason why the pepper flakes also move to the sides of the plate. This is also another reason why people use soap to clean dishes which have oil and grease on them, because the soap lowers the surface tension of the water, and because the surface tension of the water is lowered, this means that the water molecules can mix together with the oil on the plates or dishes, and then this will make the oil rinse off much better.